And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box, and it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be? Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Carve it out. Cut off the excess clay. We can save it for later. Peel off the paper and make sure everything's lined up. Now pick it up and roll it into shape. Let's introduce you to your better half. Why don't we add a nice splash of color? Some pink and purple will make a nice match.
Cool!
Let's add a blanket and some pillows. Now Ratty can start counting some sheep. You know, every party needs a furry friend. A little something for the introverts. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Sure you don't want to wear some gloves?
Yuck!
Well, at least it's a cute little ball now. Or are you making donuts? Or are you making our sprunky friends? Wait a minute, they're both! They're sprunky donuts! Why don't we order a baker's dozen? After all, I think we're gonna need more. Okay, did everybody get to try one? Uh-oh, guess it was first come, first serve. Oh, don't cry. We'll whip up something special next. And by whip, you know I mean cream. A delicious cream cake and a few other treats. Ooh, but you'll need something to wash it down with. And you can't exactly drink pool water. So why don't we start a stand? A juice stand, that is. Now we're gonna need some drinks. Let's start by making a juice dispenser. Blueberry. But a juice stand needs more than one flavor. Plus a few sodas on the side. We're open for business. Come on, everyone. Ratty's ready to take your order. Okay, calm down. Single file. Make a line. Let's help them out. How about some free samples? Everyone's got a drink? Good. You know, tips are appreciated. Uh-oh, I think Purple Durples had too much punch. Get in line for the biggest spot here, the water closet. Oh no! We've got fresh fruit, but they're not for eating, silly. Time to put those bunny feet to use. You kick, and she'll kick back and have a sip. Wait, do you know where those feet have been? There's more than one way to skin some fruit. Besides, we can use our special bunny blender. Good thing we've got some leftover fruit. Ooh, shall we set things to puree? Now we've got some pretty and pink smoothies. What you waiting for? Have a sip. Hey, what's that? Well, this candy's seen better days. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule applies here. Uh-oh, Wenda needs to go. Well, from flower pot to chamber pot. But I don't think you know who will be happy about this. This cat could sure use a litter box. Better yet, a throne fit for the king of the beasts. Have a seat. Or would you prefer porcelain? Don't be scared. Just keep pushing. Sure, things might be coming up marshmallows, but I'd still close the lid if I were you. Okay, Pinky, time to put your feet up. But you know, a little mouthwash wouldn't hurt either. You check out that mouth, I'll open a window. I was wondering where that teacup was. It's okay. Nothing some extra strong brushing can't fix. But that brush might just make things worse. Besides, dentists just love electric toothbrushes. And they do all the moving and shaking for you. Now say goodbye to all that gunk. Much better. Just don't forget to floss. Wenda's got her head in the clouds today. So why don't we play with a big balloon? Yeah, I wouldn't pop that if I were you. We really should keep these two on a leash. Naughty, naughty. Balloons should be treated with respect. Besides, it's the perfect excuse to try our new toy. This brings new meaning to pumping gas. With a little elbow grease, there's enough for 2 cars. Here, why don't you give it a go? Time for some bath time fun. And just in time, too. Grab a brush. Close, but that's a bush. Well, at least it's got bristles. Or should I say needles? Calm down, or somebody will hear you. But it's okay. She knows what to do. Here, this will suck out the poison. Well, thorn. Uh-oh, you could really use some chairs around here. Pinky, get him out of this crazy thing! Orin simply wasn't meant to be a turtle. Besides, I think we can put this box to better use. Just fill it up with some crumpled up newspaper. Once it's full, repeat with a few more boxes. Soon enough, a couch will pretty much build itself. It could use a cover. A blanket will suffice. And you can't forget some fuzzy pillows. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch TV. Of course, it would help if you had a TV. Though, personally, I prefer online videos. But to each their own. Ooh, antennae! Orin really puts himself in his work. But Pinky wants to know if it gets streaming. After all, she needs to catch up on her stories. Ooh, I've seen this. It's a really good part. This scene is a really romantic one. Aw, isn't it great when art imitates life? Okay, you built a TV, the important part. But you'll want something to eat to watch TV to. I guess we should start with a table. Now let's make a pizza. Pick your favorite toppings.
Ouch!
Of course, you're gonna want some cheese. No offense to any tomato pie fans out there.
Okay.
Some people also like cold pizza, but not like this, so let's heat them up. Silly Orin, that's not what you use to cook a pizza. Pinky's always had her heart set on a brick oven. But for the time being, a microwave will suffice. You just can't beat the convenience. Okay, we're getting hungry. Plop it in there. Not even 2 minutes, but it's still too much. Give it time to cool. That's enough. Let's dig in. Ah, a good cheese pull is really a work of art. Literally in this case. Save me a slice. Worry about your friends. It seems we can always rebuild them. Besides, Orin has never looked better. If she's not careful, she's gonna wake up the dead. Or maybe that was the idea. Well, you've certainly gotten Clucker's attention. Let's just hope he's not too mad. Well, either way, he's seeing red. Oaxis seems about the same. Let's find Brud a new bucket. And I. Speaking of eyes, music brings all of our spunky friends together. Now, Funbot, you can fill the room with music. And without using a baseball bat, no less. Sky's got groceries, but there's nowhere to put it. Don't be blue. Cardboard to the rescue. Add some yellow, and it's our old pal Simon. Thanks, Funbot, Bratty, just what we need. Now we can make Simon's better half. Look, it's a Simon refrigerator. He'll keep things lemony fresh. Well, one assumes. Of course, we could use a few more appliances. Set up the table. It's almost time to set the table. But first, let's take out the trash. Uh-oh! Oh, it's okay. This cool tool should help. A Wenda vacuum. She'll help keep the trash all in one place. I think we earned a soda. Uh-oh, the table! We forgot to set it! But first things first, we need things to actually set it with. Let's start things off with a pie? Chicken pot? Or something sweet? Looks like we're going with sweet. And it's blueberry by the looks of it. Let's add our secret special sauce. And a buttery crust. Place on the table to cool. I don't trust that windowsill. But Sprunkies can't live on pie alone. What we need is delicious, nutritious bread. Especially when we use it to make rainbow grilled cheese. Sprunkies prefer food with a face. Ah, the cheese pull does not disappoint. Hey, a snake! Well, that put the stop in stop motion. But remember, waste not, want not. Besides, black and green go great with red. And with a few twists and turns, it's melon season. Now we just need to slice it up. Sometimes it pays to see some red. Plus, there's plenty of slices to go around. We'll need some beverages. Pour some juice. Everyone at the same time. It's time to dig in. A Waxus? What did you roll around in?